Hey lads, welcome back to another video. The other week, me and Zachy went down for a dive. It was freezing cold, it was blowing its ass off, and we jumped in for about half an hour, got ourselves a nice trevally and a nice sea bream. Yeah, we were only in there, like I said, half an hour. It was a pretty good effort. And then when we got out, cooked them up, and rolling that footage for you now. Phew.
It's a trevally, Joshy.
Awesome. So good. Not as good as a bream, but it's good.
Yeah. Nice little feed.
Alright lads, hope you enjoyed that little clip. As you see, we're all dressed, ready to go again. The sun's out, it is still pretty windy, but hopefully the ocean's still flat. And yeah, we're just going to jump in, see what we can come up with. Hey lads, we just jumped out. Unfortunately, it wasn't a very long dive again. We were in there for probably 20 minutes or so, and yeah, the whitewash was pretty bad, so no visibility. The winds picked up, made it a pretty shitty old day. So yeah, Zachy ended up with nice 2 drummer.
It was like a silver.
Silver possibly, I don't know. I haven't really had 2 together to be able to tell the difference. So
My personal best, I think.
that's enough for us anyway, so we're gonna head home and probably cook up this fish in the morning. Don't know where yet. Hopefully the weather's not shit, but we'll see you then. Alright lads, we're just down here the following morning. Just filling up these fish. Zachy's pretty happy. When we measured the silver drummer, it went 46, so his personal best. And it's definitely a silver drummer as well. We did a bit of research last night. So we're just going to fillet these up, go to a lookout, and we'll see you there. Unless they're really this fat. Yeah.
Apparently silver drum are meant to be crappy eating, but...
Oh, what the shit.
Oh, had some shit in him.
That stinks.
Couple of fat fillets.
Yeah. Pretty keen to see what it tastes like. Everyone says shit, but I don't know.
Throw it down. Couple of bull rays. I think so. Oh, they're all coming over.
shit off the table and we'll go and cook this feed. Alright lads, just come down this nice lookout. It's a beautiful day, still a little bit windy, so we're up here nice and protected. Not much to look at yet.
Got the gas, mate.
Yeah, we're gonna try and cook something on the stupid gas, mate. No, we're just making silver drummer fish burgers, a bit of lettuce, tomato, and just a bit of herbs and stuff to put on the fish. So yeah, hopefully it comes out alright. Made a little cave here so the wind doesn't keep putting it out. Oh, we're getting low on the mayo.
No, can't have that.
Let's have a quick goza. Oh, it's so hot. Different.
Bit
Definitely
different.
a bit fishy,
Yeah.
but I got no dramas with that.
Yeah.
That's fine. Anyway lads, I'm gonna polish the rest of this off. Zachy's gonna make his if I don't eat it before he does. And hope he's liked it. If he's did, give it a like. If you want to know anything, comment below. And if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. You.